Host. Hey, adventurers. Welcome back to Kahinal YouTube, where we explore the coolest rides for your adventures. Today, we're diving deep into the Ford camper van, the ultimate companion for road trips and off-the-grid living. Stick around as we check out its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap it up with why this might be your next dream camper. 1. Exterior. Host. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The Ford camper combines rugged durability with sleek aesthetics. It's built on the reliable Ford Transit chassis, known for its robust construction. The front grille features a bold design, perfect for making a statement on the road. And with its high ground clearance, it's ready for both highways and rough terrains. Check out these all-terrain tires and 16-inch alloy wheels, perfect for those off-road adventures. Plus, it has a built-in roof rack and solar panels for extra power on the go. Host. On the sides, we have ample storage compartments for all your camping gear. And how about this retractable awning? Perfect for creating shade during sunny days at the campsite. Oh, and don't forget the LED lighting system, it lights up the entire area for those late-night gatherings. 2. Interior feature. Host. Step inside, and you'll see what sets this camper apart. The interior is designed for both comfort and functionality. This model features a modern, minimalist design with premium materials. Look at those hardwood floors and stainless steel finishes. The seating area doubles as a dining space and a lounge, and it's equipped with plush, adjustable chairs. Over here, we've got the kitchenette. It's compact but fully equipped with a 2-burner stove, a deep sink, a refrigerator, and plenty of storage. Host. The rear features a queen-sized bed that folds into a couch during the day, with lots of natural light coming through these panoramic windows. And yes, there's a fully functional wet bath with a shower, toilet, and sink. It's all about making life on the road as comfortable as possible. 3. Performance and driving experience. Host. Now, let's talk performance. The Ford camper van is powered by a 3.5L EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering an impressive 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Whether you're cruising down the highway or climbing steep mountain roads, this van doesn't break a sweat. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures a smooth drive, while advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring keep you secure on the road. Host. The all-wheel drive system makes it a beast on challenging terrains, and the upgraded suspension absorbs bumps like a pro. Fuel economy. You're looking at around 15 to 18 mpg, which is decent for its size and power. 4. Conclusion. Host. So, what's the verdict on the Ford camper van? It's rugged, reliable, and packed with features that make it a top contender for road trip enthusiasts and weekend adventurers alike. From its versatile interior to its robust performance, this camper is built for those who love freedom and exploration. If you're looking for a vehicle that's as comfortable as it is capable, the Ford camper van might just be your perfect match. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Host. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic reviews. Until next time.